This is Pascalina opening her present. I don't think she knows how to do it. Ruti, no, let her do it. You have to smile. She's just got no idea. Tell her she can rip it.
Passou. Passou. Ninguém fungou sasa.
This is the longest present opening ever seen.
Passou yote, passou. God.
It's gonna be next Christmas before she finishes opening it. How easy! They're telling her to open it and she just doesn't know what to do. Uh-huh.
Passou, vai cair.
Hajui. Ruti's laughing enough. Maybe we should have put it on some music. Help her to pull the things out, Bunny.
Não, então sei. Oh, what is
Ah,
the picture?
well, tell her to come and sit next to you. Oh, she got a Barbie doll. Tell her to sit next to you.
Jogada.
Mm-hmm.
Chama Santa.
Sema, thank you. Stella? Ruby? Sema, Ruby? And Darcy. Sema, Darcy. Good girl.
Hannah
The
Montana.
candy is not for you.
Pipi. Hannah Montana's thing.
Well, that's not for you either.
Yeah, I'm just opening for her. Duh.
Don't be rude on my film, please.
Sorry. Oh, Shaban.
Ask her what does she think.
Ooh, eraser.
Oh, a rubber. No, you're not. Yes, Ruti and Mwizi. Said she is a thief.
Color. Book.
Ask her what does she think.
Parce que unapenda? Eh?
She's very shy. We'll give her the book to look at.
Ziangalie.
Oh, I think she likes the doll. Can you not burp on my film, please?
Not burping.
Ruti,
What?
stop doing that.
Okay.
Don't say it.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God, we finally got it all out. Ask her if she's gonna share.
Utashirikiana na wenzako? Eh?
She might.